Here's an El Camino just in, a unique specialty in classics. 1964. Nice looking car, as you can see, riding on rally wheels. Goodyear rubber. Underneath the hood, 454 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Come around to the front, see the bright work in the bumper, grill, all the trim. Very nice shape on this one. Call the paint a nice driver quality paint. As you can see, nice luster to it, reflection of the lights. Well, you find some imperfections in there, I'm sure you can, but overall, nice shape paint. Has had a repaint along the way, so not original 64 paint. Let's put it that way. Shows a lot better than that. Also underneath the hood, along with that 454, it does have headers on it, Flow Pro exhaust, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, electric fan. So nice setup to drive. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, check out the underside of the car. Take a good look at the underside of this car. Looked good from shooting the pictures underneath there. And you can check out the bed of it, interior. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too. You got any questions, like to discuss this car? 507-386-1726. You can see up and down the passenger side. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. I've been above the wheel wells and kind of the known spots where you'll start to get some, bubbling or rust or imperfection starting to show through. Not noticing anything on this one above any of the wheel wells. And again, you can see the nice luster and shine of the paint. Of course, you have a bench seat in here, black vinyl. And we'll go ahead and pop the driver's door open. We'll fire this up so you can hear that 454. And again, even the trim pieces and everything around the rear window and up and down the bed shows its age a little bit, but overall, presentable shape. Bed not all beat up. You're gonna have a few dings here and there, but not like you see a lot of the pickup beds or El Camino beds. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you email or call us. Again, dual exhaust coming out the back. Some of those Flow Pro exhaust. Exhaust looks good on it too. So when you check out the undersides, take a look at all of that. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side here again too, and you can see it's pretty straight Chevy El Camino here. Take a peek around these wheel wells again for you. I think when you look at the underside pics and check out the pics close up too, it's going to reflect the same thing you're seeing in this video. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up and check out the interior here. Now down below right here, there's an electric fan switch. I just have it left on so it comes on with the ignition. This choke I've never used. Thing is always fired right up, so let's go ahead and start this thing up. Might be a little cold this morning. Haven't had this one running. Alright, so you see an aftermarket SunPro tachometer added there. Fuel gauge does work. Notice that earlier, had the wipers working earlier. Stereo worked. Aftermarket gauge set down there. And you can see what kind of shape this dash is. Very nice shape also. Pretty much stock looking before that retro radio was added. Newer one, and then of course that SunPro tach. Seats, not ripped or worn by any means. Carpeting has newer carpeting in it, and nice speakers were mounted back here properly. They're not just flying around behind the seat. And again, that stereo does work. And how about the headliner? Headliner also in nice shape. Door closes nicely. Let's come around and listen to this big block rumble a little bit here. Alright. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. I want to show you the 454 now. Nice and tidy this engine bay is. Alright, aluminum radiator. Like I said, electric fan, and I just have that switched on, so it comes on with the switch. That's down, it's a pusher. Kind of see it in between the radiator support there and the radiator. Some nice chrome dress up done underneath here with the alternator, valve covers, air cleaner. Spark plug wires run nicely. You can see how smooth that big block runs. Nice looking engine bay. Overall, very nice driver quality El Camino here. 1964 Chevrolet El Camino, 454 4-speed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. You can see the still pictures down below this video in the description. There's a link. Click on it. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call.